Hey dear student, I hope that you are doing well. I'm very happy to be here with you. I'm a teacher of chemistry. Welcome once again on this channel where we will study different topics from chemistry. Last time we had studied about what we call atomic structure. Today we are going to study general representation of atoms of an element. Here we will study how can we represent what we call atoms of an element. Here we have different things on atomic symbols. Are this one where we have this cross. On the top left of this cross we have A, which is mass number. And then we have on the bottom left of this cross we have what you call letter Z. Here letter A stand by mass number, and then letter Z here stand by what you call atomic number. This cross is atomic symbols. Here it may be replaced by a letter. It may be one letter or two letters. Here, a mass number. Mass number is the total number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus. As our definition tells us, mass number is the total number of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus. And then we have what you call letter Z. Here, letter Z stand by what you call atomic number. Here, atomic number, it is the total number of protons present in the nucleus of each atoms or of each element. Whereas is atomic symbols is the what we call the atomic present in element. Remember this X may be replaced by a letter. Sometimes it may be one letter, where if it's one letter, that letter must be in what we call capital letter. For example, if I wanted to say this is replaced by hydrogen, this hydrogen represent hydrogen have a symbols of H. This H must be in what we call capital letter, where a small letter of hydrogen is like this. But as the scientists choose to use what you call capital letter, where hydrogen symbolized by letter H in capital letter. If it's two letter, if this X replaced by an element symbolized by two letters, here we will have two letters, where first letter must be in capital letter, the second must be small letter. Example, let us for example aluminium. Here aluminium we can write A in capital letter, where R is in small letter. Means that this is the first letter R in capital letter, where this one R it is in small letter. Here it is what you call hydrogen. Hydrogen, and this is what you call aluminium. And remember this, most of tools we use in the kitchen are made of aluminium. So we are going to move forward to see how can we calculate all these component of atom. Here you can ask, how can I calculate mass number? How can I calculate atomic number? How can I calculate electron? And how can I calculate what you call neutrons? So let us move forward. are going to see how can we calculate this component. So before to calculate this component, we need to study, or we need to see different formula which can help us to find out one of these components of atoms of an element. Here we have the first formula, say that A equal, first formula say that A, which is mass number, equal to the N plus P. Remember this? This is the number of protons and this number of what we call number of neutrons. And then you see that N equal to A minus P means that number of neutron equal to the mass number minus protons. How we can calculate number of neutrons, and you need to remember this, where I said that in the center of atom we have neutrons and protons. Reason why, if we take neutrons plus protons, we have what you call mass number. So we are going to see another formula which tells us how this proton equal to the Z equal to the Z as the atomic number, and equal to the what we call electron. Here means that if we have this, before this formula, let us find out P. P equal A minus N. And we have another formula tell us how this P equal to the Z and equal to the E. Remember, this is number of protons in the center of atom. This is the atomic number, and this is electron. Electron help us to know chemical property of an element, because electron intervene in what you call in chemical reaction. Reason why it is only electron which show chemical property of an atom. So after showing this different formula, so after show you these different formula, first, second, third, and fourth. Yes, after give you this formula, I hope that you can be able to calculate different components of an atom. Let us take an example. An example of a given element. Example, we have a given element. This element has 35. This is equal to A, and it has 17. This is equal Z. So from this A and Z, we need to calculate all of these missing component. We need to calculate to see how the value of this missing component. Let us start by using first formula. We know that A equal N plus P. And remember, we have A as 35. And then we have what you call N unknown. We don't know the value of N, but also we know the value, we don't know the value of P. And when we are here, remember, we need to jump on these four, where they tell us that P equal Z and equal to E. Means that we have a Z, but we don't know about others. But you can use this fourth formula to find out P. So if we found that P equal Z, means that Z equal 17, means that also P equal 17. So we need to replace here P with its value, which is equal 17 from in this fourth formula. So we need to replace this P with its value, where we will have 35 equal to N plus 17. So if we need to find out this N, we need to take this 17 and we change its sign, because it come in the left of sign equal. So we need to write like 35 minus 17, because it come from light, in the light of equal, and come to the left of the sign of equal. It change the sign. Where we have a plus, it will be minus, and then means that 35 minus 17 equal N. Means that here N equal 35 minus 17. Here N equal what you call 18. This is the value of N. Means that we find the N. So we need to find also electron. Remember that means that we use this formula. We use this formula of N, and we use this P. So we are going to see how P equal to Z and equal to E. As the formula tells us, P equal to Z equal to E, means that we have 17, which is equal to P, equal to Z, and equal to E. Means that E equal to 17. Equal to 17. So let us write the value of each component of here, where A as mass number, equal 35, then N number of neutron, equal 18, and then we need to write P. P is the number of proton, equal 17, and then we need to know about Z. Z is atomic atomic number. Atomic number equals 17. As I tell you, or as our formula tells us that P equals Z, you see that Z equals 17 and the P equals 17. Means that they are equal. And then E equal, here, E equal electron also is 17. When we are on electron, remember this electron show chemical property of an element because electron intervene in chemical reaction. So I hope that you will be able to calculate any component of atom if you are asked to find out one of these one from this component. So thank you so much. Thank you to be here with me. See you next time. If this is your first time, please remember to hit on subscribe button, like, share, comment. Thank you so much.